Hey guys, welcome of this channel Home Education. In last video we have studied about general characteristic and main criteria of division, that is morphology of mycelium, mode of spore formation, fruiting bodies, and these are important to classify. So now today we will study about types of fungi and वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा क्योंकि आज मैं कुछ ट्रिक्स बताऊंगी जिससे आप एग्जाम्पल्स एंड डिजीज़ को याद रख सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. The first one is PHYCOMYCETES, which is further divided into OZ, यानी कि Omycetes and Zygomycetes, and many question is asked from this topic, so watch this lesson till the end. Omycetes, also known as algal fungi. Why? Because it is a fungus like eukaryote. Its wall contains cellulose. Its mycelium is cynocytic, multinucleated and aseptate. Multinucleated means कि many nucleus will be present, and aseptate, A means no division. Next is Zygomycetes. It is known as conjugation fungi. Why? Because its sexual reproduction occurred through conjugation, and its wall contains chitin. एंड ओमाइसिटीज़ में क्या था, उसकी वॉल कंटेन करी थी सेलुलोज की, एंड यहाँ पे है काइटिन. एंड माइसीलियम इज सिनोसिटिक, मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड एंड एसेप्टेड, सेम एज ओमाइसिटीज़. Now we will learn about the disease which caused by Omycetes and Zygomycetes. The first one is disease of Omycetes is Phytophthora Infestans. It is a name of fungi which causes late blight of potato. तो इसका ट्रिक हो जाएगा थोड़ा लेट, connected with the Phytophthora and late from the late potato, late blight of potato. The trick will be thoda late, so you can remember it in this way. And next is albugo candidate, white rust crucifer. So you can form the trick here as of this key Canada from Candida and crucial from crucifer, means trick will be Canada peoples are crucial. So you can answer easily if such question asked in the NEET examination. Next is Sporia, which cause disease, salmon disease of gills in the fishes, means ki disease cause in the fishes. So trick will be leg fish, Sporolegania and gills, means ki trick will be leg gills. So these are the examples of Omycetes. Now next is Rhizopus. So there is a Z in Zygomycetes and Rhizopus, so you can remember it. And Rhizopus known as a black bread mold, and its trick will be pus. Pus is from the Rhizopus, and it is known as black bread mold, so pus is black. In septate condition, pus formation occurs, so you can remember it as pus is black. So in this way you can remember these examples with simple tricks. Next we will learn about the ASCOMYCETES. ASCOMYCETES is known as sac fungi because its structure is just like sac. Its mycelium is septate, so you have to remember in earlier mycelium it was aseptate, and remember the differences in types of fungi. And they are saprophytic, means ki organism which is depend on dead and decay matter for food. Decomposer means कि किसी चीज़ को ख़त्म करना, and parasitics depend on the other living plants and animal, and it is also known as coprophilous, which is also grow on dung, that I have told you about in general character of fungi. And next, its cell is made up of chitin. Now examples, these examples are frequently asked, so all you have to do is focus on these examples. So first one is morels, which is edible. So question you may ask ki which fungi is edible, so answer will be morels, and it is also known as sponge mushroom. See, this is the morel. Next is truffle. Again, it is also edible, and this question is asked in the previous year NIT. This is the truffle. Next is Neurospora crassa, also known as Drosophila of plant kingdom, and it is a pink bread mold. And here don't get confused guys कि पहला वाला जो था उसका ब्लैक ब्रेड मोल्ड बोलते थे in Rhizopus, and example of zygomycetes, which comes under zygomycetes, and PHYCOMYCETES is a type of fungi, and fungi related with the 5 kingdom classification which was given by R.H. Whittaker. So from a single word you can develop your concept back to back. Okay, so next is Clavice purpura. It causes disease ergot of rye. Next is Penicillium, which help in ripening of cheese. It is also a antibiotic. And try to see Penicillium. This is okay. And next one is Asparagus, which is a poisonous one. It is also known as weed of laboratory, and it secretes poisonous which is known as alpha toxins. See, this is the asparagus. Next is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is known as a beer or baker's yeast. सॉरी, यहाँ पे गलती से बैंकर्स ईस्ट हो गया है, इट विल बी baker's yeast. Next is the Zibrelia fusicori, which is produces gibberellin. If you have studied the chapter plant growth and development, in which several hormones are there like auxin, ethylene, gibberellin, so in that gibberellin formed by the Zibrelia fusicori, which is a fungi. Next we will talk about Basidomycetes, which karyogamy and meiosis occur in a club-shaped structure known as basido. And in previous lesson we have already studied about steps of sexual cycle, which includes plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. और अगर आपने प्रीवियस लेसन नहीं देखा है तो एक बारी ज़रूर देख लें उससे, एंड मैंने एक ट्रिक भी बताया था उसमें कि कैसे आप सेक्सुअल साइकिल को याद रख सकते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट इज़ इट इज़ द मोस्ट एडवांस्ड, इट इज़ मोस्ट कॉमनली सीन फंजाई, मीन्स कि नॉर्मली देखने के लिए मिल जाता है, एंड बेस्ट डिकम्पोजर ऑफ. सो नाउ वी विल सी द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ it. So let's see one by one. The first one is smuts. Smuts is Ustilago nuda, which causes a disease loose smut of wheat. The second one is mushroom. It is edible or non-edible. Toad tools means कि poisonous pools. अब इसको याद कैसे रखेंगे, तो toad का tools poisonous है. Okay. And the next one is rust, Puccinia and gramineous. Puccinia gramineous, which cause disease black rust of wheat. तो Puccinia grami को in short PG कर देंगे, so PG को काला खाना देता है. Okay. Puff balls, Lycoperdon. The next is bracket fungi, यानी कि self fungi, which is also known as गैनोडर्मा. तो इसका ट्रिक हो जाएगा, ब्रैकेट को ब्लैंकेट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, एंड सेल्फ मीन्स कि आलमीरा, एंड डर्मा को धूल में ये बनाएंगे ऐसे कि ब्लैंकेट को सेल्फ यानी कि अलमारी में रख दो, नहीं तो धूल लग जाएगा. सो यू कैन रिमेंबर इट इन दिस वे. एंड ये सारे ट्रिक्स आप इसे याद रख सकते हो. So next we will study about Deuteromycetes, which is also known as the fungi imperfecti. Why? Because it shows only asexual and vegetative phase, and you should know कि reproduction of fungi occurs into 3 phases only: vegetative, asexual and sexual. And next is large number of them are decomposers of litters, which helps in mineral cycle. So question can be asked ki which fungi helps in mineral cycling of so answer will be the Deuteromycetes. So let's see few examples. The first one is Alternario, second Colatotrichum and the third one is Trichoderma. तो ये तीनों को मिला के एक ट्रिक क्या बन जाएगा. फर्स्ट से लेंगे हम लोग अल्टर, कोलाटो से लेंगे कॉल एंड ट्राइकोडर्मा से लेंगे ट्राई एंड ड्यूटेरो से डी लेंगे एंड इम्परफेक्टी से लेंगे IMP. सो अल्टर, कॉल, ट्राई करो, डी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. क्या हो जाएगा. अल्टर, कॉल, ट्राई करो, डी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस examples. Next is early blight of potato in it disease caused by Alternario solani. अल्टर मीन्स कि यहाँ पे चेंज एंड सोलानी से सलोनी, तो इसका ट्रिक हो जाएगा सलोनी का मूड जल्दी जल्दी अल्टर हो जाता है. ओके, सलोनी का मूड जल्दी जल्दी अल्टर हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज टिक्का डिजीज़ caused by सर्कोस्पोरा पर्सोनाटा. सर्कोस्पोरा पर्सोनाटा, तो इसका ट्रिक हो जाएगा टिक्का से हम बना देंगे इसको टिक्की एंड सर से सर, पर्सोनाटा से परसो एंड सोनाटा. तो परसों सर के साथ सोनाटा की टिक्की खाई थी. टिक विल बी दिस वन, परसों सर के साथ सोनाटा की टिक्की खाई थी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज रिंग वॉर्म ऑफ foot or athlete's foot caused by the Trichophyton interdigitate. Okay, so all these are the types of fungi and hope ki using these trick now you can remember all these examples, because examples तो याद रखना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. so आप ट्रिक के थ्रू याद रख सकते हैं. एंड प्रीवियस लेसन जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो देख लें. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड इफ़ you like this video and tricks, then hit like button and do share it with your friends also, and don't forget to rate and review. So thank you so much, and till then do your smart study. Thank you so much.